Nandito kami ngayon sa Floyd Lamb Park. I think I've been here before but hindi ko na maalala kung kailan yun. Ang dami nila Ang daming tao ngayon dito. Ayan sila sa likuran. Sunod-sunod lang. Ayan, sarap mag-exercise dito mga ka-gorgeous. Lakad-lakad lang tayo. Okay guys, look at this. You can only catch 3 fishes. So there's limit. Oh, baka kami tuklawin niyang mahabol na dito. Kasi kumakain ka, tsaka binibigyan mo sila. Yan, Tisen, lumalapit na, Tisen. Kasi lumilipad yan tapos tutuklawin ka. Bahala ka dyan. because we're gonna go to sushi over here, right there. I don't eat sushi, but I guess there's something else over there that I can eat. And ayun ang sushi. I thought we're gonna go to the Filipino store. I mean, yeah, but I guess not. Okay. So my sister's changing her shoes first. Ayun, no. Nagpapalit ng sapatos. O, diba? So, dito tayo pupunta sa may sushi. We're over at the north side of something. I don't know where we at. I'm just following them. So, anyway. I guess we're over at Centennial. That's where we at right now. Ayan sila. Dito nagtatrabaho yung ano. Hi! Yung pala, may kakilala pala sila dito. Kaya pala. So anyway, we're gonna eat here.
Tradition.
Doon ako, Tisen. O sige, dyan ka na. Hindi ko alam kung anong makakain ko dito.
Subscribe na mo i-promote nitong Percy Sushi.
Yeah.
Ang
Diba?
galing naman yan. O, diba?
There's that. Soup. What kind of soup is that?
Miso soup.
Ano po?
Enjoy.
Okay, thank you. So, tinitikman ko ang Japanese soup.
Miso. Miso soup naman.
Miso.
Miso kudasai.
Miso.
Miso kudasai. Ibig sabihin, please.
Not bad.
Sarap, diba?
That's mine. Eh, what's mine?
Calamari
Bento.
popcorn.
Bento ba yun?
And the egg roll.
What's hers?
And then this one's the calamari.
Okay. Enjoy, enjoy.
Mainit.
Masarap to din. Tapos na kami kumain dito sa sushi. Labas na kami. Nakakabusog talaga. Grabe. Ang dami namin nakain. Kaya, ayun.
I want to say bye to that.
Ayan. Ang nandito pala, kaya dito kami nagpunta yung asawa ng pastor dito kasi nagtatrabaho. So, the wife of our pastor, she works here. So, Tapos na kumain. We just got done eating and I'm so full. This is the first time I ate in sushi. It's not bad, guys. Should try it. For those people who doesn't like sushi, you guys should come and visit sushi in North. Okay, so at this point from where we went, so at this point, dito naman kami bibisita sa aking mga apo, sa ate ko.
Ayun lang dalawa? Ba? Sino pa ba? Alam ko sa amin Soli. Ay, gawin na namin siya.
Kukunin daw niya yung shirt niya.
Yeah. Asan yung mga apo?
Sa taas.
Leila!
Leila!
Kumain kami kay Sister Beth.
Mama Good.
Kumain kami kay Sister Beth.
Leila!
Yung sushi.
Come here! What's that? What are you eating? Apple? Good! Anyway, mga gorgeous, I just got home from running around out there and I didn't realize that today is the St. Patrick Day. So I was with my sisters and a friend. But anyway, mga gorgeous, I hope you all liked my video for today. And if you did, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more of my upcoming video. And mega love shoutout sa aking mga members. And I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, I will talk to you later.